Your engine is the driving force of your vehicle, and it's important to show it the same care you show yourself. Whether it's an older vehicle that's up and down the road thousands of miles, or if it's one of today's newer engines that works even harder than ever because of smaller designs and increased power, your oil needs help keeping up. That's why oil stabilizers matter. They strengthen your oil to fight friction, dry starts, and wear, extending the life of your engine, your oil, and your investment. At Lucas Oil, we've engineered a full lineup of oil stabilizers to suit engines new and old, stock or high performance. Let's break down which one is right for you. Let's start with our original formulation. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is a petroleum-based powerhouse that boosts oil life, eliminates rough idle and dry starts, reduces oil consumption and blow-by, raises oil pressure, restores performance in worn engines and gearboxes, and increases power in miles per gallon. It leaves a protective film that clings to parts long after shutdown, reducing wear and improving fuel efficiency, especially in high-stress or older equipment. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer is best for older engines, diesel trucks, industrial equipment, farm machinery, and high-mileage gas engines, especially those smoking, leaking, or low on compression. If your vehicle has seen some miles, go with Lucas High Mileage Oil Stabilizer. It's designed to stop oil burning, clean sludge, eliminate rough idle and dry starts, restore oil pressure, extend the life of worn engines and gearboxes, and increases power in miles per gallon. Lucas High Mileage Oil Stabilizer is best for vehicles over 75,000 miles, RVs, tractors, classic cars, older trucks, and worn engines or gearboxes in need of a second wind. For new equipment that requires synthetic oil or any equipment that needs enhanced performance, there's Lucas Pure Synthetic Oil Stabilizer. This advanced formula reduces oil consumption, increases power and fuel economy, controls heat and friction, eliminates dry starts, stabilizes oil pressure, won't void warranties. Perfect for lighter oils, high RPM engines, and tight tolerances, it delivers extra protection in harsh or cold conditions. It's formulated for modern cars, turbocharged engines, hybrids, imports, and anything running full synthetic oils, especially performance vehicles. Newer engines call for lighter oils, and Lucas Low Viscosity Oil Stabilizer is engineered just for them. With a synthetic base, it reduces wear and friction, improves power and fuel economy, keeps engine clean with strong dispersancy, fights oxidation, won't change your oil's viscosity grade. Use it at oil changes and in between them for top-off protection and efficiency. Lucas Low Viscosity Oil Stabilizer is best for newer vehicles running 0W20, 5W20, or other low viscosity oils, especially those focused on fuel economy and emissions. So which Lucas Oil Stabilizer is right for you? Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer, best for worn engines, diesels, and heavy equipment. High Mileage Oil Stabilizer, best for older vehicles and engines over 75,000 miles. Pure Synthetic Oil Stabilizer, best for modern engines using full synthetics. Low Viscosity Oil Stabilizer, best for new, fuel-efficient cars running lightweight oils. Whatever you drive, there's a Lucas Oil Stabilizer that fits your engine and your peace of mind. Lucas Oil Stabilizers. Trusted protection, proven performance. Lucas Oil. Keep that engine alive.